Yo, why is my mom washing the car while it's raining, bro? What is going on? I ain't never seen that. What the hell? Woo. Tomatoes coming out. You ever seen somebody wash a car in the rain? You know that stereotype? She says she's trying to dry the car but won't get dry. No.
Ay, ay, ay.
Yeah, I'll record. I hope the tomatoes survive. Let's see who my mom's about to hit. You think my mom's got the arm? Let's see. Ooh. Oh, she's out. Maria's out. So this is the way we're playing it, guys. It's one person throwing, everybody in the middle. I know there's different ways to play dodgeball, but it's the way we playing it. We got my brother now. This kid about to bug out. Kid with the crazy on, about to take everybody out. That's what I'm saying. Damn. My boy got a headshot. You out. I'm not in the game, so I'm good. I'm the cameraman. You know we always survive. Ooh, you out. You out.
What are you doing?
You out. Hey, let me know in the comments, guys. How do you play this game? Is there different ways to play it? How do you guys play it?
Ese mató solo. Esto está allá. Esto es en vaina. Véalo ahí, véalo ahí. Véalo ahí.
Wait a minute.
So we're gonna play a game that if I ask them a question and they get it wrong, I get the opportunity to hit them and they out. But if I miss, they get to stay. But if they get the answer right, they could take my place and I have to go back. I'm gonna start with Abby. Okay, Abby, who's the president of the United States? 3, 2, okay. You can pause it, damn.
Jasmine, what is 5 times 4?
5 times 4, Jasmine? No, you don't know it? She don't know it.
You can't move, you have to stay still.
Oh, you out. You out.
Does the sun go up?
Like the sunrise.
Sunrise. 3, 2, 1.
She missed, so you get to take her place. Well, the question for that was the answer for that question was East, all right? East.
James, what is my favorite color?
Oh man, brother to brother question. He got that right. All right, Jaden, who you gonna pick? One.
Jadier. Who is the first president?
I don't even know that. I don't even know that one. Who? Oh, they got it wrong, bro. That's 5 seconds. I don't even know that question. You gotta go in the front, Jalier. You gotta go in the front. Right there. No, go back a little more. Go back a little more. Right there. If you hit him, you all take a good shot. He's still in. Damn. Don't we not have any baseball players in this family? What's going on? Look at that view, bro. It's raining. The sun is out and it's cloudy. You know what that means? They said,